Geographical location of Odisha. Geographical location of Odisha comprises of many facets of topology. There are the burning Chotnagpur plateaus on one hand while on the other lies the mystifying Bay of Bengal. The topography of the states reveals the exact location of Odisha on the axis of the earth and enlightens us about the unique physical features of the state. It lies between the 81.27 E and 87.29 east longitude and 17.49 N and 22.34 north latitude. It is the ninth largest state of India, with an area of around 155,707 square kilometers. Bay of Bengal fences its boundaries from the eastern side with a coastline of around 450 kilometers. Chhattisgarh lies on its western part while it has Andhra Pradesh on its south. Towards the north it has Jharkhand and West Bengal as its neighbor. The areas of the state bordering the Bay of Bengal has coastal plains, while the middle part has mountains and highlands and are sparsely populated areas. The Chotnagpur plateaus run in the central part of the state while on the west it has the rolling uplands. The state also has plain fertile lands as a result of the floods it experiences during the monsoons. These 5 units together comprise the Metamorphological Regions of Odisha. The coastal plain of Odisha is stretched between the Subarnarekha river near West Bengal and river Rishikulya in south. Several rivers including Mahandi and its tributaries like Baitarani, Subarnarekha, Brahmani, Budbalga etc. forms their delta in this region before their final submergence in Bay of Bengal. The largest coastal lake of India, Chilika, is basically a backwater lagoon formed by the main rivers and their tributaries. The lands of Odisha are irrigated by many large rivers and their tributaries. While some of them originate in Odisha itself, River Mahandi is the largest river of Odisha and the 6th largest of India, originates from the holy Amarkantak hills of the Bastar Plateau lying in the state of Chhattisgarh. But unlike River Bhahuda and River Vamsadhara, Mahandi forms almost all of its catchment area in Odisha while the former ones originates from Odisha but irrigates the land of other states. Brahmani River is the 2nd largest river of Odisha. River Koil and River Shankh merges into one at Ved Vyasa near the steel city of Rourkela to form River Baitarani. The 3/4 part of Odisha is comprised of the middle mountains which were once part of the Gondwanas. Now these mountains are a part of the eastern Ghat ranges. The highest peak of the region is called Deomali. The central plateaus comprise the slopes of the eastern Ghats. The 2 main plateaux of the region are Panposh Keonjhar Pallehra Plateau and the Nabrangpur Jaipur Plateau. These 2 plateaus are more elevated in comparison to the uplands. In fact, the elevation goes down as we move from the middle mountains towards the rolling uplands. The average height of middle mountains is 900 meters above sea level while it comes down between 305 to 620 meters in the central plateau and decline further with an average height of mere 153 to 305 meters in the plains. There are a number of springs and hot springs also in the state and a number of waterfalls like Joranda and Barehipani, increasing the scenic beauty of the state. The flood plains are the most fertile lands of the state. The heavy rains of monsoons bring in flood in many regions of Odisha as most of the rivers of this state flows beyond their normal level during this season. The accumulation of the soils eroded by floods every year has resulted in the fertile lands in forms of flood plains in Odisha. Most of the agricultural activities of the state takes place in these plains. So, this is the end of this video. I hope you like this concept. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. Have a beautiful day.